method that might be available that could be used beside this program?
Well, there's other methods. There is a collaboration with organization in the US who actually does personal language online for free. It's a project, I think it's Ire started, who has been doing it for about a year, teaching Garifuna language online, but only to 10 persons at a time. So it's a significant change and push that she's doing, but again, we don't, through the Garifuna language program in schools, we're reaching out to more students rather than 10 persons.
Is there a hindrance that is causing this situation?
In terms of?
What could be stopping the young children from learning Garifuna speaking there?
Well, one of the issues is westernization. A lot of our children want to compete with what is online, what they see on the television.
The City River Village Council presents the annual City River Easter Monday Fair, Monday, April 1st, 9 a.m. until, with the biggest lineup ever, the Bad Boys of Punta, the Sweet Pain Band 3.0, the hottest Punta Rock artist, UB, the Prince of Brockdown, Coconut Boy, the Wicked, Wild and Versatile, Reckless, the Fire Youth, Durs McVie, the cool and energetic Lloyd Augustine, alongside Mac 90 Songs, South Central Songs, 630 Songs, and it's hosted by Miss Appleby and DJ Dollar. Food and drinks on sale along with all-day events such as dancing contest, mechanical rides, bouncy house, beer drinking contest, watermelon eating contest, a football marathon with cash prizes for first, second, and third, plus more. Entrance is only $3 for adults and $1 for kids. So mark the date, Monday, April 1st, Easter Monday, 9 a.m. until City River Easter Monday Fair, sponsored by
The role of the Ministry of Education is responsible to ensure that whatever we do in schools meet our national curriculum. And when we look at the submission, it took a while because we needed to ensure that all of the areas were aligned with the competencies that we are encouraging our schools to deliver. And by the time that they kept reaching out to us, we were able to complete that. And they are all meeting the requirements for our schools. It is very opportune at this time, although mentioned this morning that it took 50 years, but I think it's not too late. It is good at this time. As indicated by Ms. Zuniga, as adults, it's harder. With children, it's easier. So we believe that we are in the right place at the right time for this program in our schools, and we're looking forward. The ministry is looking forward that it moves across the country.
Guys have no well trained turn. Today is a historic day for not just the Nago, but also for the entire country of Belize. We remind the nation that in 2001, UNESCO declared Garifuna language, dance and music in Belize to be a great masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Something that we as an entire nation hold high and value very much. And for the Ministry of Education, Culture, Science and Technology, it is also a day for celebration because our national curriculum framework is being implemented. Our fifth master core competency that we have, our macro competency of multicultural respect that